Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs like GBP USD, Euro USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of gold USD in front of us right now, and as we all know, there was a huge turmoil on the market. And if you have watched my yesterday's video, then I clearly mentioned that there is a good possibility of DXY going towards the upside. And as we all know, when DXY goes up, the price of gold goes down, and when DXY or US dollar goes down, the price of gold goes up. And you can see that when I made the video yesterday, it was trading here. I told you that market will be taking support and market will bounce. Honestly speaking, I was also not expecting this kind of up move. Yes, I was bullish on the US dollar, but totally, I'm being honest, I was also not expecting that dollar will be so bullish like this. Anyways, right now you can see that dollar has become very bullish. Okay, and right now it is trading at 94.27. It had a very strong resistance at 94.14. Okay, this was the resistance. 94.14 was the resistance from the weekly chart, but it was so strong, the buying pressure was so high that it broke the resistance, and we can hope that the same level will now be acting as the support for the market. So if you look at the present setup of US dollar here, then the chart is extremely bullish right now, very much bullish, no doubt about it. And there is a possibility that after retracing for a little bit, market will take support at 94.14 level and will bounce again. So if market takes support at 94.14 level and bounces, then definitely gold will see selling again. And if I draw the Fibonacci retracement level also, okay, then you can see that in case market comes down or US dollar starts coming down and starts trading below this level, then it has a support at 93.80 to 93.60. This level is the Fibonacci retracement level, and there is a possibility that market will be bouncing from here. So whatever the issue, the possibility of US dollar is after retracement it will be bouncing. That is the bigger possibility or greater possibility here. So keep your eyes on the US dollar if you are a trader, and if you mostly trade on US dollar, sorry, gold USD, if you trade on GBP USD. So this is the current setup of US dollar. So after retracement there is a possibility of bouncing from this support level, or in case it breaks the support, then there is a good possibility of bouncing from 93.80 to 93.60 because of the Fibonacci retracement as well as the previous support of 93.6. Clear? And if we come down to the chart of US dollar here, so what should be a trading strategy? You can clearly see on the chart that this is a downtrend market. This is a downtrend market. Market is in downtrend, and as we all know, the basic rule, the thumb rule of the market is follow the trend. Follow the trend means if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities, and if a market is in uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities. So considering the trend of the market, we should mainly look for selling opportunities only. But on the other hand, if you look at the Forex sentiment meter here, you can see that 73% retail traders have taken long position and only 26% retail traders have taken short position. And you can see that they have taken long position at 1783 level. So just imagine how much loss retail traders are in right now, and this is the main reason we make the losses, because we fail to follow the trend of the market. Just keep in mind that flexibility is very important. If you want to be a trader, if you want to be a consistently profitable trader, then flexibility is extremely essential. If you are not flexible, then it is very hard to survive in the market. Yeah. So trend is towards the downside, therefore we should mainly look for selling opportunities. Clear? And where should we sell? If you have watched my previous videos, then you know that I have been talking about area of value all the time. Area of value is nothing but the best trading opportunity, or the best place to trade. In a downtrend market, the best trading opportunity or the best shorting opportunity is always near the resistance. And in this chart of gold USD, you can see that 1740 to 1750, this level, which was the previous support, is the resistance for the market right now. So there is a good possibility that when market will be reaching this level, gold will face resistance again, and if gold reverses from this particular level, you can short gold. Am I clear? So if gold reverses from this resistance level, you can short on gold. Just keep in mind that trend reversal is extremely essential, and you'll get a confirmation in the form of a shooting star or price rejection from above. And while you are shorting the market, just keep in mind that you also need to check the chart of DXY once. Just make sure that when you are shorting the market, DXY is going up. For the last couple of days, it was not following the particular pattern that it usually follows, but just consult the chart of US dollar or DXY once. That's, I'm just requesting. Okay, so short the market at the resistance here. Okay, if market reverses from the resistance zone of 1740 to 50, and your target will be 1728 level. This is the new support for the gold right now. And how does this support came into the place? It came into that place because of this level. Remember a couple of weeks ago, around 1 or 2 months ago, when there was a sharp fall on gold US dollar, this level provided support to the market, and this is the same level that is providing support to the market again. So if you are a risky trader, if you have been trading for quite some time in the market, then you can afford to buy here, because this is also a very important support for gold USD. But if you are a beginner, then it will be beneficial for you if you just look for shorting opportunities only. But if you are an experienced trader, if you can manage to take risk, if you know risk management and all very well, then you can also afford to go for a buy here. This is also a very strong zone. But for the beginners, those who are still in the learning phase, those who are very much new to the market, for them I'll just request that you only try to short the market when it will be reversing. Otherwise, if you want to avoid trading for next couple of days, you can avoid. But if you are an experienced trader, if you can afford to take risk, then you can think about buying here, because this is also a very strong buy position. 1728, 1717. Looking at the history here, this is a very strong zone as well. So totally depends on you, totally depends on your decision. Just make sure that you follow proper risk management and you do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. That's my request. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.